Jupiter is very excited today. It is his 1000th birthday, and he's going to receive his present during the official ceremony that celebrates this first phase of his space life.
We are now all together in the presence of our mighty Father to help our dear brother Jupiter choose his future. You all know that once you reach this significant age, you will have to choose your mission. This is your present, freedom of choice. Either you will dedicate your life to the services of our mighty Father, or you will go to outer space and spread our secret magic powder. Rise, Jupiter, and take a step forward. What will be your choice? Lift your right antenna and swear over the video of our computer. If you intend to keep your word, it will light up.
In a shaky voice, Jupiter makes his promise.
I will make my choice now. I am going to spread the magic of peace over the planet Earth. I will show them how easy it is to love. I will teach them not to destroy. I will show them how to forgive, and I will make them forget the ugly words. It is going to be a hard job, but I won't give up until I am sure they understand me.
He smiled confidently and happily.
Come near. Our mighty Father bless you and wish you a peaceful stay.
Jupiter is now flying from country to country, sprinkling his powerful powder all over. Will you be ready to welcome him tomorrow?